So hi everybody, I'm making this video because I need a little help. So this is the cotton of my wife, and she made an experiment planting 3 pieces, and right now it's November 19, 2024, and time is lunchtime, actually 12:26, and it doesn't go well. So as you can see, this doesn't bloom, and it rested like this for a month or maybe 2 months. So we kept it under this thing, so like this, so it can take air from here. Point was to protect it from the coat, but instead see what happened. So the leaves doesn't look good. See, they look like sick leaves, like the plant is sick. Oh, this leaf even burned. Looks like burnt, I don't know. This is the middle one. So the middle one, check out the leaves. And this is the right one, the third one. And the question is, why? Is the plant sick? Is the question of humidity? Because inside, so this is a cut tube, as you can see. Inside the tube, the giant bottle actually, it holds moisture, but the sun is blocked. As you can see, this is dirty, doesn't allow much sunlight. So this is why I decided today to uncover them, so they can take some direct sunlight. Let's see what will happen. I have no idea how often these have been irrigated. I don't know how much water they got from irrigation, and so yeah, the question is, what can we do? If you have experience with planting cotton, please leave a comment, share your ideas, tell me what can we do. We are, for the record, in southern Bulgaria. We are in the city of Khaskovo, so the temperatures here are very, very high. Actually, let me check the temperature for today. So yeah, November 19th. Let's see. So this is what it says right now. 11 degrees Celsius. 11 degrees Celsius, and it's lunchtime. Okay, what can we do to revive these and make them bloom? Share your ideas, because we don't have any cotton experience, and we need help. Thank you. Have a nice day. And again, if you can help, if you have any ideas, if you have experience planting cotton, please leave a comment and let me know what we can do. Should I leave them uncovered or should I cover them? Do they need lots of irrigation or not? Do they need more direct sunlight? Can they survive cold? Because right now in the nights it's like 0 degrees Celsius. Yeah, thanks for watching and bye.